Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some Amazon haul and let me show you because I just started gym, so I ordered some shoes and some bags and some for gym pants, long bag. So let me show you. So I have ordered this cutie bag. I really like. You can see it, no? It's really nice. It's very cute. So I ordered on Amazon. Okay, it's really good. It's not that much big, but it's fine. I have to carry my, shoes and water bottles. So for me, this is enough. Okay, this bag is only $2.99, so you can go for it. Even the quality also good, not so bad. It's very cute, very small. So just order this one for gym. Okay, and then even I ordered this t-shirt, long sleeve. Okay, this is not that much stretchable, little stretchable. So I really like the quality. You can see I ordered in large and the price is $2.59. So guys, you can go for it. Okay, so this for gym. So this is a black one. Even it's stretchable. When you can see it, it's like some design. Even I really like, because when we go gym, at least we have to carry the cell phone, right? So there's a pocket, two pocket. It has two pocket, and very stretchable. I already wear it's fit for me. I ordered a large size. This is very stretchable. The price is only $3.71. I ordered one more. One more I ordered this, but they don't have the pocket and all. And then little bit here, waist is fine. Its quality is like stretchable, but the main thing they don't have pocket, and even for me a little bit loose. So I think I'll change the medium size because I ordered large only. Okay, this also I think this is $3.50. So maybe I'll exchange this because I'm a little bit loose. So I don't want it, because when we are going gym, we should be like it should be perfect. Fitting. If it's a little bit like big and it's not look good. Okay. Here I ordered two shoes. I really love shoes. Even I only try, I only try. Even inside is very comfortable. So some shoes are. I don't know after wearing long time, but inside also very soft, and I really like this. See, I love the color. They have 3 colors, different colors, but I just choose black one. And it's not heavy, very lightweight. So you can see, I really like the design, and I really like this color. And this is, this for gym only, and not heavy at all. I don't want to wear shoes heavy and something like that. So this super nice. I only tried before. It's very comfortable. And not expensive also, it's affordable price. I always wear 37 size, so UK will be 5. So I ordered in 5 size, and it is 849 rupees. So I really love this also. I really like this. If I go gym and I can go outside also, freestyle for me, anywhere I can wear. And here one more. Even this is the next one. Even here they have 3 colors. Here they have different color, but I love this color, so select this color. Even this also, you know, lightweight. Also, even this also lightweight. This also I want to try. It's very comfortable. These shoes are, you know, not only for gym only. You can wear outside also this one, because when you are roaming here and there, you know. Because I will not go everyday gym. So this also same size, 37 UK 5. I really love this color. So cute, very fresh color. Okay, so cute. Okay, and then I ordered this t-shirt. I think I ordered medium size. This is only 349. Even the quality is not so bad. So this t-shirt I ordered. Okay. Because first I just ordered some hair serum. And even I ordered some shampoo. This big shampoo, and I ordered shampoo. That's it. So I just ordered on Amazon. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. And if you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.